Now, the final section is the news section, which is mainly used for showing blog posts. Since this is a demo store, we don't have any blog posts to show here. So, I will simply delete it from the page. Next, to add more sections to the page, you can simply click on this plus icon or click on Add Section. This will open up the section library, which contains more than 40 different sections for your page. You can hover over each section, and it will show you a preview of the section. Minimog theme offers a total of 46 sections at this moment, and if you are watching this video at a later date, you might find many more sections. Of course, it's not possible to show you every single section and its settings in this video, as it will make the video 2 hours long. But if you are interested, I can make a separate and more detailed video on the Minimog theme, where I will show you every section and settings of this theme. So if you are interested, simply comment the word tutorials in the comments, and if enough people show interest, I will create an in-depth video on Minimog theme. For the sake of this video, I will show you a few more sections and their customizations. First up, I will add this promotional banner. Try to keep it somewhere near the top, as this is an important section, which you can use to showcase your latest offers. You only need to change these texts here and then link it to your collections, and you'll be good to go. A similar variation of this section is this promotion countdown timer. Another important section is this product bundles section. This is mostly effective in the product pages, as it can help you sell multiple products in the form of bundles. Testimonials are also a must-have for the store, as it helps with building trust among your customers. You only need to edit these texts here, and you'll be good to go. You can also link the products purchased by the reviewer. Of course, make sure to add real reviews only. Adding fake reviews won't be helpful. Okay, this section is also complete. Next up, we have product bundles. I will show you how to use this in the product page. For now, I will delete this. Next, we have the promotion countdown timer. This is made up using the text block, countdown timer, and a button. First, I will select the text block and then delete the texts. I will add my own heading here. Next, I will select the countdown timer and then select a future date here, and the countdown timer will start running. Lastly, I only need to link one of my collections to this button, which is a piece of cake. And just like this, you can edit every single section. I recommend that you simply select every section from this list one by one, and then simply play around with the settings. Most of these sections only require you to add some text, images, and link to one of your collections. Sometimes you may have to change the colors and animations, but other than this, there is nothing much to do here. Whenever you add a new section, it will be added at the bottom of the page. You only need to reposition it in the right order. Alright, our homepage design is finally complete. Now I will click on this Save button at the top right to save all the changes we've made so far.